Netscope's ActiveSync proxy safely enables Office 365 Outlook.com email by providing visibility into risky activities, real-time policy control, and data leakage prevention. When you combine cloud-based email with mobile, you are presented with challenges around the leakage of sensitive data. Mobile is the most popular way to work with email, and according to the Netscope Cloud Report, more than a third of DLP policy violations occur on mobile. Let's take a look at a typical scenario. Here we have a user on their iPhone working with what appears to be a sensitive document containing names and social security numbers. Grabbing this data from OneDrive, attaching to an Outlook email, and hitting send is only a few finger taps away. This presents a big challenge when it comes to mitigating your risk associated with mobile users using email, and more importantly, performing risky activities. This is where Netscope comes in. Netscope's ActiveSync proxy provides visibility and control over risky activities in Office 365 Outlook.com. Let's set a policy first by specifying Outlook.com as the application. Next, we will select our DLP setting. The Netscope Active Platform provides powerful cloud DLP with more than 3,000 data identifiers, 500 file types, and out-of-the-box profiles such as PCI, PII, and PHI. Let's choose PII as we want to prevent the leakage of personally identifiable information in Outlook.com. We can get granular with this policy and specify a specific activity. But in this case, let's choose all activities as we want to prevent PII data from leaking in email. We will choose block as our action and name our policy. Now that we have a policy in place, let's see what the experience is for the same user that was leaking sensitive data before. In this case, the policy we just created was triggered and the user was not able to send the attachment. Let's take a look at the policy result from an admin point of view. Using Netscope ScopeIt, we can see details about all cloud usage activities. If we zoom into the one that just took place, we can see details such as what content was associated with this activity, what the specific activity was that was being performed, and what policy was triggered. We can also see details such as who the user is and who they attempted to send the email to. In this case, our policy was triggered and the user was not able to leak the sensitive data.